Good day, my name is Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I've got a number of clients in Montclair, California that are contemplating the formation of a business entity, whether that be a corporate entity or a limited liability company. Whether you're currently in business as a contractor or another type of business, or you're an individual working as a sole proprietor thinking about forming a business entity, I wanted to produce this video to give you some pointers. First thing I want you to think about is personal liability protection. That obviously is the benefit, the primary benefit of forming a corporate entity, in that you insulate yourself from personal liability as a sole proprietor, meaning that if you're sued, they can't go after your personal assets like bank accounts, homes, cars, things like that. As a corporate entity protects you and insulates you, and any judgment against the business is limited to the assets of the business. So if the business doesn't have any assets, then of course they're limited to those. Secondarily, I think one of the most important issues in dealing with an LLC or a corporate entity is the taxation issue. Each provides its own tax benefits. For example, LLCs provide my real estate clients with certain real estate advantages when conducting real estate enterprises, and hence they form an LLC for that purpose, to obtain those tax advantages. A corporation can be formed for other business enterprises or even for real estate businesses. But in a corporate situation, you want to look to whether you're going to form a C corporation or S corporation. What's the difference? A C corporation has no limitations in terms of shareholders or amount or whatnot, but it's taxed twice. In other words, it's taxed on the income the corporation receives, and then it's taxed again as the shareholders receive dividends, and you're taxed again on the dividends you receive, hence double taxation. S corporation is taxed like a partnership, and you're taxed singularly, meaning the corporation brings in the income, it expenses it out on its expenses, and then what flows through the shareholders is taxed at the shareholders' rate on the K-1 form in the 1040. So the tax benefits of forming an S corporation may help assist you in whatever particular business enterprise you're conducting. There are some limitations to S corporations. You can't have more than 300 or 400 shareholders. You've got to have no corporate shareholders. That means another corporation can't hold the shares. But other than some of those minor restrictions, there really is no other restrictions, and you can form an S corporation for its tax advantages. So if you're thinking about forming a corporation or an LLC, and you have some personal issues that you want to talk about, feel free to give my office a call. I'll be happy to sit down with you or speak to you over the telephone about them.